Ancient remedies, modern benefits, the allure of medicinal mushrooms. Mushrooms have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Cultures around the world have long recognized their healing properties. Today, science is catching up, confirming what ancient wisdom knew all along. Medicinal mushrooms offer a treasure trove of health benefits. These fascinating fungi are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They can boost the immune system, improve cognitive function, and even fight off certain diseases. With their growing popularity, more and more people are turning to medicinal mushrooms to enhance their well-being. Exploring the world of medicinal fungi, from reishi to lion's mane. Reishi mushrooms, known as the mushrooms of immortality, have been used for over 2,000 years in Asia. Revered in traditional medicine, they are believed to promote longevity and overall well-being. They are praised for their ability to reduce stress, improve sleep, and support the immune system. Many people incorporate reishi into their daily routines for its adaptogenic properties. Chaga mushrooms, found growing on birch trees, are packed with antioxidants and are thought to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These mushrooms are often brewed into teas and tinctures for their health benefits. Lion's mane mushrooms, with their distinctive cascading spines, are known to enhance cognitive function and improve memory. Studies suggest they may also support nerve regeneration and overall brain health. Oyster mushrooms, a culinary favorite, are also rich in nutrients and have been studied for their cholesterol-lowering effects. They are versatile in the kitchen and can be used in a variety of dishes. Each of these medicinal mushrooms offers a unique set of health benefits. From boosting the immune system to enhancing brain function, they are a valuable addition to any wellness regimen. Mushroom Cultivation 101. Creating the perfect growing environment. Growing your own medicinal mushrooms at home is a rewarding experience. The first step is to create the right growing environment. Mushrooms thrive in dark, humid conditions. A basement, cellar, or even a spare closet can work well. Temperature and humidity control are crucial for optimal growth. The substrate, or growing medium, is another important factor. Mushrooms feed on organic matter. Sawdust, straw, and logs are common substrates used for cultivation. The substrate should be sterilized before inoculation to prevent contamination. Section 4. Step-by-step guide. Cultivating your own medicinal mushroom garden. In this section, we will walk you through the essential steps to successfully grow your own medicinal mushrooms at home. Once you have your growing environment and substrate ready, it's time to inoculate. This is a crucial step in the process. This involves introducing mushroom spores or spawn into the substrate. The spores or spawn will serve as the starting point for your mushroom growth. Spores are like seeds and require sterile conditions to ensure successful growth without contamination. Spawn is mycelium, the vegetative part of the mushroom already growing on a grain. This makes the process more efficient. It's easier to handle and less prone to contamination, making it a preferred choice for many growers. After inoculation, the substrate needs time to colonize. This is when the mycelium spreads throughout the substrate. Keep it in a dark, humid environment to promote healthy growth. Consistent conditions are key. Once the mycelium has fully colonized the substrate, it's time to induce fruiting. This is the exciting part where mushrooms start to form. This can be done by adjusting temperature, humidity, and fresh air. Proper adjustments will encourage the mushrooms to grow and thrive. Section 5. Mastering the art of mushroom cultivation, tips and tricks for success. For beginners, starting with a mushroom grow kit is a great way to learn the basics. These kits come with everything you need, including a pre-inoculated substrate and instructions. As you gain experience, you can experiment with growing mushrooms on logs or creating your own custom substrates. Maintaining proper hygiene is crucial in mushroom cultivation. Always wash your hands thoroughly before handling mushrooms or substrates. Sterilize all equipment to prevent contamination. Patience is also key, as mushroom cultivation takes time and attention. Section 6. A Bountiful Harvest. Reaping the rewards of homegrown medicinal mushrooms. Harvesting your homegrown medicinal mushrooms is a truly rewarding experience. The joy of seeing your hard work come to fruition is unparalleled. Knowing that you have cultivated these powerful fungi with your own hands adds to their value. Each mushroom is a testament to your dedication and care. Once harvested, mushrooms can be eaten fresh, dried for later use, or incorporated into various dishes to enhance their nutritional value. They can also be made into tinctures and extracts, providing a versatile way to enjoy their benefits. Growing your own medicinal mushrooms is not only a fulfilling hobby, but it also provides you with a sustainable source of natural health benefits. This practice supports a healthier lifestyle and reduces your reliance on store-bought supplements. So why not embark on this journey of discovery and unlock the secrets of medicinal mushrooms in your own backyard? The rewards are truly worth the effort.